Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing my lunch meal prep for the week, so thanks for joining me. If you are new here, my name's Molly. I do weekly meal prepping for breakfast and for lunch, a lot of keto recipes, low carb recipes. So if you're new, thanks for stopping by, and please click subscribe and the bell button next to subscribe, and you'll get a notification each time I post a new video. So for this week, I do, and by the way, I do always simple recipes, nothing too complicated. I'm just here to give you a little inspiration to get healthy and organized for the week. So for this week, I'm doing stuffed peppers. I love stuffed peppers, and this is going to be an Italian style. So I have my Italian sausage, spinach, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and then I get this no sugar added pasta sauce. It's crazy how much extra sugar is added to so many different foods. But so check this out. I got it at my Walmart, but it's Prego, so they have it lots of places. It's really great. I will put the recipe for this in the description box, and I put all my recipes in the description box. If you ever want to make anything, everything will be listed there. I have my oven preheating right now to 350 degrees, so I will get the peppers ready. I like to cook them first. I'll cook up all the other ingredients, I'll fill up the peppers, and then I'll cook them again to make them just taste amazing. So I'm gonna get this all going and it'll be ready for the week. So I have my bell peppers, and I'm just using a combination of colors for this week. I just like to make everything a little bit more colorful. I like yellow and orange bell peppers. They are my favorite, but green is wonderful too. So I'm gonna cut each one in half lengthwise, and then I'm gonna scoop out all the center, the seeds, and any of the center of the pepper. So I'm gonna cut each one in half, clean it all out, and then I'm gonna have basically one pepper for each lunch, and then it'll have two sides stuffed with the lasagna filling that is so good. So all my bell peppers are cut in half. I'm going to brush them with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper on top as well, and then I'm going to bake these in the oven for about 20 minutes. I like to cook these first to get them nice and soft before I put the filling in. So these will go in the oven. It is already preheated to 350 degrees. So I will add these in, and then while the peppers are cooking for about 20 minutes, I will make the filling that's going to go inside, and it is really yummy. So it's kind of, I like doing stuff while one thing's cooking. So the peppers are going to be cooking, and then I'll be making the filling. So basically not wasting any time. We will get these peppers and all of our meal prep for the week, and it is going to be really good. So the peppers are going to go into the oven now. And while they're cooking, I will make the filling. So I have some Italian sausage, and I just like regular Italian sausage. You can use like a spicy Italian sausage, or you can even use ground turkey or ground beef as well, whichever your preference is. So this is just an idea. You could always alter your recipes to your liking, of course. And I always put my recipes in the description box, so you can check that out if you want to make this. All of the ingredients and portion sizes will be in there. So the Italian sausage, it's all cooked all the way through. So I'm going to add in my no sugar added sauce. I love this sauce. Sometimes they don't have it at the store, so I always get usually a couple when they do have it, so I can make sure I'm always stocked up. It's really good, and it's crazy how much extra sugar goes into tomato products and sauces. So this one is just a little bit healthier than the rest with the no sugar added, and it tastes good also. So it's a win. I'm going to add in now my fresh spinach. You can use frozen spinach if you'd like, but I'm going to add in a big old bag of spinach, and spinach is so crazy. You use this whole bag, and I'm going to let this steam in here, and it's going to wilt, and it's going to come out so tiny, which is so funny. Spinach is like crazy to me that it wilts down so small, but I love it. It's so healthy. I love the taste of spinach and all kinds of dishes, so this will be really great. I'm going to let it steam in there. So the filling's done, the peppers are done. I have my ricotta cheese, which I love ricotta cheese, and some shredded mozzarella cheese. So I am going to add in the filling into each pepper. So I'm going to put a couple of spoonfuls in there, and then once they are all filled, I will add in the ricotta cheese and then top with mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to put these peppers back into the oven for another 20 minutes. I'm going to let all these flavors soak in with each other into the peppers, get the peppers even a little bit softer because they can be really hard, so they take a while to cook. So I'm going to add all that in, and I'm going to add in 1 scoop of the ricotta on top. I'm going to add in sprinkle of mozzarella cheese, and then these will be ready to go back in. These are so yummy. I love anything Italian food wise, and ricotta cheese, so good. So this is a really great lunch to have ready for the week, and it's just perfect. I can just grab and go this, heat it up, and lunch is ready. I don't have to worry about what I'm going to have each day this week. So these are really good, really great idea if you're looking for a nice healthy keto recipe. Stuffed peppers, it's like a whole meal in a pepper. It's got your veggies and your meat and your cheese and everything like right there. So I just love stuffed peppers. All right, so these peppers are ready to go back into the oven for about another 20 minutes, and then they'll be all done and really delicious. All right, so the lasagna stuffed peppers are all done. I'm gonna portion them into my meal prep containers. You guys that have been here around for a while know that I love these glass meal prep containers. I got them on Amazon, so of course I will link them. I always link everything I use in case it's something that you like, something that you need. You can find it super easily, so let it be linked in the description box. Along with the recipe for these lasagna, Italian keto stuffed peppers. So I will portion everything into my containers. Everything will be ready to go for the week. I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna be super healthy and just ready to go. All right, so I'll get everything portioned out. All right, so lunch is ready to go for the week. I hope that this gave you a little bit of inspiration to do some meal prepping so you can stay nice and organized, nice and healthy. If you have super busy weeks like I do, this is just a lifesaver. I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna make for lunch each day. I actually take my lunch to work, so I can just grab this container, take it, I put it in the fridge at work, and I can just heat it up when I'm ready for lunch. So these are just really perfect to have ready to go. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. I do hope that it gave you some motivation to do some meal prepping and a couple ideas. I just love stuffed peppers. I have lots of them on my channel, so check those out if you haven't. And if you are new here, click subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have tons coming up that I'm really excited about. And thanks for watching. I hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.